What's in this thing?
Every little thing you think you know, I'm here to tell you it should go. I'm trying to help you understand. If you would just take my hand and I'll teach you who I am. Right now you got it wrong, so sugar, come along and I'll show you who's strong.
Hello honeys, and welcome to today's video. So before I go into the video, I want to give a shout out to Box of Strawberries. I really appreciate you and thank you for being part of Notification Squad, and I love you so much. So basically today I'm going to be testing out the cheapest deep conditioner ever, and it's the Beauty Formulas Honey Treatment Wax Intensive Deep Conditioner. It says it restores vitality and nourishes out of conditioned hair, will not color hair. So basically I found this conditioner on Jumia, and this video is not sponsored. I just found it basically and it was really cheap. It was 1,400 naira and I decided to try it. So I hope this thing does good to us. So ew, I hate the smell. It smells like honey wax, like if you're in the wild, like if honey was raw. That's how it smells like. So I really don't know, the color is really weird and I just washed my hair. So let's get to applying this bad boy on my hair. So I'll start with this section. And my hair too is flourishing back again, so it's dry. I'm going to spray some water. So basically I'm about to apply this. Oh my god, it's so thick, like it's really thick. So I'm so scared. The smell is not something I like so much. It smells like something that'll give you a headache. Damn, it makes my hair so soft, like immediately. Wow, it feels like honey actually, like it's coating my hair. Like, can you see? It's like coating it up instead of, see? Wow, this seems nice. Looks like it's going to be good, so let's just keep on. Even read the instructions, it says I should use it for 10-15 minutes. Like, you know, my hair already feels so soft, like so moisturized by applying this. So let me just. So basically I'm just going to put this all over my hair and I'm gonna get back to you. So honeys, I'm literally done applying this in less than 10 minutes and I didn't use a lot of the product at all. Like, see, I'm really heavy-handed with product. So I'm just going to the product says how many minutes? 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 10 minutes. So basically it's time to remove it. My hair feels soft. I can already feel it. So basically I'm gonna take this all down. So basically guys, my hair feels so soft. But I hate the smell. I really feel like I need to wash this thing off my hair. So basically I'm just going to go wash it off, but the smell is too strong, it's so overpowering. And I'll be right back. So before I washed it, I came back real quick because I saw how my hair was looking all coily and all. Can you see what this thing is doing to my curls? Like, I'm having some round curls. It's basically defining my hair on its own. This product is really wow. Can you see this? So I'm going to go wash it real quick and I'm going to get back to you. So guys, I'm done washing it out of my hair. And basically some of those curls still remain. You might not see because there's water in my hair. Some of those curls actually still remain from the product. You can see my hair is coily. Yeah, see, you can see. Yep, it still remained from the product. So is this going to be a staple in my resume? Yes, but I have to tweak it a little bit. I have to add oils to it because I don't like the smell. Like the smell is like doesn't work with me at all. And if you are a fan of checking out ingredients and you always do healthy ingredients and all that, this product is definitely not for you because it has a lot of ingredients that I can't pronounce. Basically, honeys, to my pros and cons as usual, the product is very cheap. I bought it for 1,400 naira. The product also is very thick. It's cheap, it's thick. What else are you, baby? And you get so much for that little amount that you get. Like this is a 16 ounce, yeah, 16 ounce container, 500 ml. Like really 16 ounce for 1,400 naira, and it works really well. My hair is soft, my hair feels moisturized, and I've never added anything. And I don't know, I'm just loving the product. Basically, it defines my curls. What I like about it, I don't like the smell. No, the smell is a no for me. That's the only thing I don't like about it. The smell is too strong. I don't even think anybody can be able to stand this smell for a long time. Only if you like honey or something. I like honey, I'm okay with honey, but this is too much of honey smell. Like it's too much. Like give me a break. Like give me a break. So basically, that's going to be all for this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so you'll be notified when I post a video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section if you're going to try this product. Beauty Formulas Honey Treatment Wax. That's the deep conditioner. This is shit. Hi.